Welcome, kids! Today begins the cutest baby vehicles race! The car goes vroom vroom, the train goes choo-choo, and the helicopter goes woo woo! Let's see who wins the race. Ready, steady, go! Baby car says vroom vroom vroom, racing fast with zoom zoom zoom. Red light shouts, stop right there. The car says, I'm a superstar, yeah! Baby bus goes honk honk honk, rolling gently, bonk not bonk. Slow and steady all the way, smiling bright throughout the day. Baby train says choo choo choo, running fast with woo woo woo. Tells the clouds please move aside, railway queen with stylish pride. Helicopter goes woo woo woo, flying high across the blue, waving down to everyone, saving speed while having fun. Vroom 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 and choo choo choo, woo 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 and honk honk too. All together racing fun, baby vehicles #1. Wow, kids! What an amazing baby vehicles race! Every vehicle showed that whether you race or fly, fun is the best style. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, friends. Bye-bye.